I want to remind you that an adjective is a word that tells us more about a noun. It describes a noun. Adjectives can tell us what size something is, like a tiny ant, what color something is, like a blue pitcher, how many, like 3 bananas, how something looks, lovely flower, how it tastes, sour lemon, how it feels, soft pillow, what shape it is, triangular watermelon, how it behaves, hungry puppy, or how something feels, happy turtle. In a sentence, usually the adjective is right before the noun. I'll give a sentence about the turtle. The happy turtle was sunning on a log. Happy came right in front of turtle. As we do our assignment today, you are going to have sentences where you have to identify the noun in the sentence, and you also have to find the adjective that describes it. We're going to do the second one right here because I think it's the hardest on the page. The second one says, this sweater is soft. Okay, well, first I want to find the noun, and I know a noun is a person, place, or thing. Person, place, or thing. Oh, I've got it. A sweater is a thing. So over in my noun area, I'm going to type sweater, and I'm going to spell it right because it's right here. Now I have to decide, what describes the sweater? The sweater is soft. Okay, so how it looks or feels. Oh, I got it. It says it is soft. So over here for adjective, I am going to type in soft. I did that one because it was the hardest, because it's the only one on this whole page where the adjective is not in front of the noun. So be very careful as you start with 7 cats are in the alley. Remember, find the noun first. You highlight over the words, backspace, and you'll be able to type the noun. And then do the same thing in the adjective spot. Okay, second graders, identify those adjectives. Make sure you turn it in or submit when you are done.